Hello, Jacksons. Welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this update of the bbnaija8 All-Star Season 8 2023 edition as a day hot. And tonight, there are at least two things I want to talk about. Are we finally having a Sunday of disqualification or multiple, what do you call it, strikes in punishment? Because it seemed like Alex and Ike went at each other at the pool and became violent and physical. And then here was Ilebaye and Neil having a very good time at the party. So guys, I'm going to give you the full lowdown. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see it. Now, before I get right into it, please just know that I do not attach bbnaija All-Stars video in my videos. The most I can do it, maybe add a screenshot if I do. But if you don't like it, please, you can go to other people's channel and you can get to watch that there, okay? Now, truth be told, though, many of you are asleep. People now say, Lady Jackson is doing this. I was waiting for the pool party now that telling you about to add at the show. And throughout the week, Nia has been declaring his undying care and missing of what do you call her, Tolini Baj. And I was like, just prove faithful by not dancing with Ilebaye or any other girl that Tolini Baj doesn't want you to be around this today. Not until the time came. Ilebaye was looking all, sexy and shit. And then boom, it was now time to dance. And I must tell you that the two got a teeth on the dance floor. They were dancing and rocking and doing the stuff. In my mind, I said that what the hell is happening? Oh my God, I've sang too much. But they danced though. Now, Ike really did something beautiful at a point. He took his Super Commando key, right, as an ambassador. It was rocking it at the beginning of the party. I was having a good time. I was like, yes, you're showing off to some people. Some people might be peppered by this, at least someone like Prince, right? Not until the dance happened. I'm like, what? These guys really missed each other. I was said that yesterday or 2 days ago. Neil and Ilebaye were on the same bed. I'm like, this is the beginning of, everything that is going to happen. Now, getting into what actually happened tonight. So, the pool party started. It got, very heated and nice. They had their barbecue. Couples were coupling. Love interests were interesting them. Other people that were disliking each other were disliking. Everybody shall mind their business, shall. Not until at a point where they were now in the pool, people were dancing with each other. We could see the couples doing the shit and stuff. And then, Alex was dancing in the pool. All of a sudden, Ike had gotten in the pool and was trying to probably pull her out. Ike was trying to pull her out because she was almost drowning. She had an issue with her leg or something. And she was drowning. He was trying to pull her out, but the person that was inside the water believed that Ike or whomever it was trying to pin her into the water more to get her to be drowned. And then, a natural human instinct, even if you know how to swim or not. Now, I'm talking from the point of knowing how to swim, right? Natural human instinct, if there was somebody bigger than you trying to hold you in the water and you were struggling, be it that trying to help you or not, especially if it's somebody that you've had this perception is rough when he plays or can be rough when they do their stuff, you would think that they're trying to drown you. And the closest instinct for Alex to do was to punch and kick at him. Now, Alex didn't stop until she heard him saying sorry, which was obvious that he was trying to help her out of the water. And she felt he was trying to pin her into, and she felt, that he was trying to pin her into the water until she punched and injured him. I think at some point maybe he bled, and then she went out of the water and went straight into the room. Now, of course, Ike went to his room and covered himself under the blanket and was actually crying. Yes, Ike cried on live television, but didn't want anybody to see. Now, the most problem and trouble arose when the housemates sort of ganged up against Alex. Now, when I say the housemates, we had Adekunle and Venita, who were saying rash things to Alex and sort of instigating that trouble should rise between Alex and Ike. And then, of course, she responded to them because was it that she said something around the lines of this was to Adekunle, you're from All Stars season, so I don't have nothing to talk, like, you're from All Stars, I don't have anything to talk to you about. And then here was Alex going to Ike's room to try and apologize, now finding out exactly what happened from his own perspective, from the other housemate, right? And then Mesieke was in that room too and shouting, is it because Ike has been calm all this while? You're not getting him to play because he has not been doing stuff. I'm like, Mesieke, calm down. That's not how to talk. You can hear Alex obviously trying to calm this matter down and point out that she didn't know that he was trying to help out of the water. She was scared. She was feeling like somebody was pinning her, and everybody knows that Ike can be rough, and that was what just triggered her to keep punching and kicking in her own defense to find a way to get out of his grip. Now, this caused a shouting match between Alex and Mesieke. Mesieke went on to talk about something else, that Alex shouted at her because of a drink that, I went to go and drank the drink. See, let's be honest. When she said that, Angel and Samadina started laughing and rolling on the floor. I'm like, Angel, you're such a bad girl. Why would you do that? This girl trying to make a point. In fact, this brought me back to the fight that Alex and, Mesieke actually had one time a few days ago. And I must say, the war or the battle was won even before it started. Because when it was the heat of the point, like where the two girls are supposed to go at each other, Alex told Mesieke, come back at me when you have enough English in your arsenal. God. See, I swear that's one of the craziest ways to end the battle, any verbal vocal battle. Like, literally, Alex used what maybe Mesieke was insecure about to slam at her, and the fight ended. It just ended. Anyways, when everything was calmed down and we saw that Angel stopped instigating and rather calmed Mesieke down and calmed Alex down, we see that Alex went to the bed where Ike was crying. She entered under the blanket. I was apologizing that this was what happened from her end. She didn't know. She was scared. He said he doesn't want to come out of the duvet. He doesn't want people to see him like this. But he understood and everything. I really like this, that they settled. But it was a crazy night, honestly. I didn't expect anything to happen like this.